Good morning. What's up?
Good morning.
We have arrived
To one of the places I have always wanted to come. We are in Cannes, France.
When I tell y'all this is a beautiful place so far and we're just now getting into the port, oh, you are in for an amazing trip today.
It's so gorgeous. We have so much to see and so much to do. We're going to show you what we're doing a little bit later. We're going to keep it a surprise. But look at all this. This is where we have the Cannes Film Festival. If you're movie buffs, it's literally the location where they have it is literally down the street.
So sit back, get your favorite cocktail, time to sip, and have a trip with us in Cannes, France. So if you know what the importance of this building is when it comes to Cannes, France, definitely let us know down below in the comment section. Always an interesting journey whenever we're out of the country. I'm telling you, man. Trying to get on the train this time was a little bit hectic because the machines were acting kind of weird. We had never been here before, never used them.
Yes.
But lo and behold, as you can see, we are on board, heading to Monte Carlo. And we're gonna have a great day. We got some big things planned. Well, we got a nice thing planned. Not big things. The rest of it's just gonna be tours with, man. Look, come on. Do you see the view outside? So the train ride was about $40 round trip for 2 US. Not bad at all compared to what you're gonna pay on some of the excursions to go to some of the same prices, like to do Nice, Monte Carlo, and Eze. Was about $105 per person for 8 hours. So you're stuck with whatever time that they give you to get to and from. But when you do it on your own, you can take your own time. You can go where you want to go. You can see what you want to see, and you can get back when you want to get back. The good thing about tonight is we have an overnight in Cannes. So we can take as much time or as little time as we need, have a little fun.
No rush, no fuss.
And we're traveling with friends, and the look on their faces, they look a little shook right now, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna make sure they're good.
They do.
Right.
They're like, where the hell they got us going? The hell Addy and Terry got us doing? But they're gonna love it. It's always an adventure.
On the app, it tells you exactly the time of arrival, shows you the next stops from one to the end.
Yeah, this isn't even a special app. It's Apple Maps, y'all. It's Apple Maps. I just put in where we were and where we're going, and it's complete with train departures. So,
Apple for the win.
Apple for the win.
We made it to our destination. We are in the Monte Carlo, Monaco. It is one of the smallest countries in the world and one of the richest.
So we opted for the bougie travel system,
Yes, we were gonna walk,
which I enjoy because there's air.
but
I'm down with this.
a little bit chill outside. So, we opted for a taxi. Yeah.
Just a quick little history note. 1 in 3 people here
In Monte
Monte Carlo are millionaires. Second smallest,
Yes.
richest country, only to the Vatican.
Yes.
And on top of that, there is zero poverty in Monaco.
Because 1 in 3 people is a friggin' millionaire.
So we're gonna show you what this is all about and see if you're ready for that lifestyle.
Yes.
Big bands feeling generous. Got a big house, that's my preference. Sitting pretty at the top, Mount Everest. Yeah, I'm bossy, dripping puffing on the best asparagus. Take my sweet time, never in a rush. Cause I'm bossy, dripping sauce.
We are inside the world famous Casino Monte Carlo, famous for its role in 007 movies. It is the casino for the elite of the elite.
Yeah, man, this place is
It's
something special, some amazing. You wanna walk around and just...
Yeah, we're gonna walk around and see what we see.
So we just came outside the Hotel Monte Carlo.
Keep calling it a hotel. It's a casino.
The casino. We just came out of the Casino Monte Carlo,
Yes. Halloween.
and it was amazing. I'm about to jump in my whip now.
To jump in the Bugatti real quick.
Ooh, that thing right there.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance.
We are chilling in Monte Carlo, the beach resort and beach club. It is a swanky little rooftop and bar restaurant. Like, take a look around.
I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna now and turn around now. I just wanna turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance.
Okay, so we're directly across from Casino Square, and we're about to go inside of probably one of the most expensive malls we have ever seen. Because if you make your winnings in the casino, you're gonna want to spend it somewhere, right? Let's go take a look at what's inside. Because there's a line.
There's a line.
So it's like, even if we don't go in the stores because there's a line, I really just want to see what stores are here. Oh, that's my store. Oh my God, they have the bag, babe. They have my bag. See the brown one?
Yeah.
That's the one.